Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of JavaScript? Well, you are in luck because I am here to help you learn the A to Z basics of JavaScript under 10 minutes. JavaScript is a powerful programming language that is widely used for building websites, mobile apps, and desktop apps. It allows you to add interactivity and dynamic elements to your apps by making them more engaging and user-friendly. Don't worry if you are completely new to coding because I will break down the basics into simple and easy to understand concepts. Let's start with the basics. JavaScript is a programming language that can run on client side as well as server side. It is executed by the browser on the client side, meaning it runs on the user's computer using the browser. This gives JavaScript the ability to manipulate the web page in real time, making it perfect for creating interactive features such as form validation, image sliders, and interactive maps. Also, with the help of Node.js, it can run on the server side to build APIs and performing other data processing activities. One of the first things you need to understand in JavaScript is variables. Variables are used to store data that can be accessed and manipulated throughout your code. To create a variable, you can use the keywords var, let, and const keywords followed by the name of the variable and an optional initial value. In modern JavaScript or ES6, let is used to declare a block scope variable and const to declare a const value variable or an object. Next, let's talk about functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. They allow you to write code once and use it multiple times throughout your program. There are three types of functions named function using function keyword, anonymous function without function name, and arrow function using arrow operator. Next, let's talk about objects. Objects allow you to store and organize data using key value pairs. Objects are used to represent real world entities and concepts and provide a way to group related data and behavior together. Objects you can create it using object literal syntax as key value pair. To create a group of objects, use function, constructor, or class in JavaScript. So these are just a few of the basics of JavaScript that you can learn under 10 minutes. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to experiment and try out different code snippets. With dedication and perseverance, you will become a JavaScript pro in no time.